All right, here I am back for some post-analysis, getting back in it, not stopping. Apologies to myself and anybody else listening to this. Sounds like I'm in a bathroom recording, but I have a microphone soon to come. But this is what I got, so this is what I'm going to work with. Looking at this, I'm on the 5 minutes Euro USD, so I'm trading Asia session. It's session I'm going to have to trade. It's in the afternoons after work, before I go to bed. So kind of after work, late in the day, Asia comes in. I'm trying to start trading Asia, where I'm used to trading New York while I'm at work. It's no longer is feasible. So we're going to try to trade Asia. So with all that said, let's jump into it and we'll see how this goes. First PA back into it. I wish I could say it was great, but obviously I have 1, 2, 3 attempts. The third attempt being on my cell phone while laying in bed. So not off to a good start. But the quick read was I saw this big break coming. I was watching a lot of the yens and the USDs were showing promise, lots of breaks in Asia, breaking the highs, so breaking the lows, breaking the highs. So I was looking for some cheese on this. So if I pan out to the 15 minutes, and where did we go? So in the 15 minutes, we look at this and we see, big lower lows coming in, lots of lower lows. So I, looking through all my pairs, came up with, I wanted to go with USD strength, because USD across the board was showing lots of strength. News was good, so fundamentals were good, news was good, strength was good. Looked, now my strength was on the lower time frames, so maybe that's where I messed up. I didn't go to like the daily or the 4 hour to look at strength, because I'm trying to trade, within a 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute big boy kind of trading, to see how that works just with limited time, 2 to 3 hours. Enough rambling, but so we had this big break and I was looking for this pullback, and through analysis, going through all the pairs, looking at my strength numbers kind of on the 15 minute strength numbers, like big boy to me strength numbers, came up with Euro USD for a sell. Also was watching yens for the buy because they were pretty weak also, but Euro USD was my main one. Also watching it with another USD pair. I don't remember off the top of my head. Okay, yeah, I was watching the USD correlation also with pound USD. Looking for that, because pound was kind of like a -2 for strength, so -2, and USD was a +6. So I was watching those two pairs. They seemed to be correlating. And I remember pound was already pretty far gone at this point. Let me go back to my 5 minutes. Yeah, so here we are on pound USD, and it was right around this area. So it had already kind of made its almost low. I did notice that, was like, man, maybe it's going to continue down, because we got some buyers coming in, support resistance right here, failed, got a better price, failed, and then now we're kind of holding to go down. So this is around the area where I got in on Euro USD, right around here, on the 5 minute, and then also I went down to the 1 minute for precision. It looks like to me we had buyers coming in. This really isn't a buyer yet, but maybe some buyers stepped in here, pull back, kind of channel buy, buyers come in, they couldn't go any higher, and then they get a better price back down here, couldn't go, and then bam, sellers got a deal, got a discount. So these buyers, this last guy who went up died, and now we're ranging with this small poke here. Kind of thought maybe this was a dash of evil-ish, so I took it on this and it came back. And then my second attempt was here, where I thought, well, maybe this is the dash of evil. After this stalled here, I was like, okay, this is going down, let's get in it and ride. So clearly I don't understand the dash of evil. So that's definitely one thing to note down. Learn when and why why we even have a dash of evil, and is this even a reason for one? You know, to get those stops filled in. The big boys trying to get their orders in because they have to get filled. It's not about really stop hunting. So that was it, and so I full loss on this one. Closed this one before it came back and stopped me out fully. So not a full loss. Think about a little over half loss on this one, half R, 1R. Traded 2%, 2%, and that was it. And I was just checking out my phone like a goofball and noticed, you know, on the 1 minute that this was slamming down and ranging. So I thought maybe this was it. Took it and let it go throughout the night, and it stopped me out. So full stop. So 2.5 R loss right out the gate. And then looking at the 15-minute time frame, this sucker actually just kept going back, took out this guy, and kind of look at it quickly on a daily. We're in a big uptrend. This almost looks like a V formation test, rejection. So got its price, and maybe it's going to continue on higher on a daily. But all right, that's it. 6-minute video. First PA back, getting back on track. I got to make this work, got to make this happen, getting this stuff going, not stopping, no quit, no month, no 2 month, no 3 month. I will not stop. So this is the first of many videos.